camera.
Last one. Oh my gosh.
I don't even try this.
Oh, thank you.
He's going to get us both in.
Yeah.
Does it say record at the top?
Yeah.
I'm just making sure the lens is clean.
Look.
I can't see your hands in the red.
Going go through the photograph plate and find a picture. See what's my leg.
Go on, Vanessa. Get in there, girl. Get in there.
I'm just doing these. Okay.
Hi, babe.
How are you?
Good.
Not bad, thank you. James, you're not looking. Excellent. Thank you very much. Cheers. You've got the camera going everywhere.
Could you at least say happy birthday to my mom? Bill. Could you say happy birthday to my mom at least?
Happy birthday to your
Can I
mom.
record it?
You know, I want to make sure everybody gets signed here.
Can you please repeat
Let me
that?
see if we come back. Yeah.
Thank you, Bill.
Ah, great. Great. Thanks for coming.
Thank you.
Great.
Thank you so much.
That's not your name.
Yeah.
I've got it on my camera.
I'm just doing the.
No, but I've got you in the background asking him to say it, and then you looked at my camera and said it. So I'll send you that video.
What did you do? Photo?
Well, no, when I looked at you, you were pointing the camera at the bleeding floor. Looking at your own camera. That's why I can't trust you, James. Well, no, he was pointing the camera at the floor.
I was looking at you. There's something like looking about.
Thanks.
He recognised me again. He was like, you again.
Oh my gosh, how many times did you say?
It might not be exactly as you wanted it, Vanessa, but at least you got something. He looked right in the camera and said it. He said, happy birthday.
Have you done this with a lot?
But it's got you in the background saying, can you say it to my mum?
One every year.
Why can't you say to him, please, man?
Mind, I'm filming here and you've got your arm waving in front of the bleeding camera.
Gosh, was I there every 20 times?
Oh, bless him, he's so sweet.
Ah,
They came like sign.
Why am I holding that out like that? Thanks. I can't even see if it's in focus because these ain't my reading glasses. Oh my word. Cheers, James.
What the kids are asking, please, may I have a photo with you last time, please?
Oh, I'm getting some lovely shots here.
Yep.
failure of life.
I'm sure he's cut his hair since he came out this afternoon.
when you say
Vanessa, all ain't lost yet. He's got to come back, so that's when we've got to go. Please, Bill.
What am I supposed to say?
Yes, I want to see him.
We'll send you little low-key haired security. See, that's the thing with my videos. When I put any ideas, just say, excuse me before you go.
Colin.
Hi, Colin. See me, I got there too late.
Colin, can you come back? Please.
Colin, you came out too fast.
Does anyone have a pen?
Yeah. It's a really big surprise.
That's fast, Colin.
Yeah, he just came out without so much as a hello. I'm scared my pen's going to go dry. I can't do everything. Like film. Well, I'm going to try and get a picture with Bill now.
Ladies and gentlemen, don't push each other, please. Thank you.
I'm pushing my barrier.
Bill, it's the last night. Please sign for my mom. Joanna, I swear to God, I'm not selling. Joanna, please, just one. Just one. I swear, look in my eyes. Look in my eyes. I want some.
Happy birthday to your mom, right?
Yeah,
Okay,
please.
is this camera?
Yeah,
Okay. What's her name?
Joanna.
Joanna. That's my mother's name too. So I get to say happy birthday to you.
Oh,
And you have
bless
a
you.
very, very persistent daughter. I'm going to have. There she is. There she is.
There's Bill. Just this one for her. You're her biggest crush. That's the thing. Thank you and God bless.
Turn around, Vanessa.
Yes.
Bill.
Thank you, Bill.
Bill,
Thank you.
have a photo.
Colin's working down. Try to get a photo out of Colin.
Thank you very much, Bill. Safe journey home. Bon voyage. Now this fellow, Mr. Whipspeed here.
Try and get a photo with Colin, seriously.
Thank you so much. Oh, thank you so much. Cheers. Thank you. Thank you very, very much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. There you go.
Hi, Colin. Can you sign that, please?
I'm just signing as many as I can. First, oh, there we go.
Thank you. Having
There we go.
fleas here.
Chinese.
Oh my God. Thank you.
Go.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thanks a million. Cheers.
Thank you so much.
Original coffee.
Right, this ain't a chair because I'm lazy. It's a chair because I'm disabled. Thank you. Yeah, you can't fold it. Excuse me. Yeah, I know, but it's a
Sorry, don't do the black card. Sorry. There you go. Give a pen back to. Pen. Actually, yes, you can.